Hi students, in this video we are going to learn some important 2 marks from areas related to circle. Look at the question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to sum of the areas of the two circles. So first in the beginning they have given the radius of the two circles. One is 6 centimeter, the another one is 8 centimeter. Let us take R1 as 6 centimeter and R2 as 8 centimeter. You can take it R2 as 6 and R1 also 6. Anyway, you can take it 8 centimeter. So there are two circles. One is 6 centimeter, the another one is 8 centimeter. Now we are going to find the radius of one more circle. Radius of a big circle we need to find. This area will be equal to sum of the areas of these two circles. The area of the big circle is area of these two small circles, that is given in the question. So area of the circle formula pi r squared. For this circle the radius is r1. So pi r1 plus pi r2 will be equal to sum of these two areas will be equal to area of the big circle, that is pi r squared. We can write it pi r squared r squared. Here r1 r2 we have taken. Basic formula pi r squared is the area of the circle. Now let us take the pi as a common number outside. Now here we have r1 squared. R1 is 6, so 6 squared. And here r2 squared we have 8, so 8 squared we can write it, which is equal to pi into capital R squared. This multiplication pi will get cancelled. Otherwise you can take this pi to the denominator and we can cancel it. 6 squared is 36 and 8 squared will be 64, which is equal to capital R squared. Now 36 plus 64 will give us 100, which is equal to R squared. 10 squared is nothing but 100, so 100 can be written as 10 square, which is equal to R squared. So the powers are equal, the base is also equal, so 10 is equal to capital R. So the circle will be the radius of 10 centimeter. Then only the given condition will get satisfied. Look at the next question. The radii of two circles are 19 and 9 respectively. Again the circles with the radius, one radius is 19 is given. The another circle of radius 9 is given. So R2 is 9 centimeter, we can take it. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to circumferences of the two circles. Circumference of the big circle will be equal to sum of circumferences of these two circles, that is given in the question. So we can say that circumference of the small circle will be 2 pi r1 for first circle. For second circle it will be 2 pi r2. The sum of these two circumference will be sum of the circumferences of the two circle will be equal to circumference of the new circle. 2 pi capital R, we can write it. Take the 2 pi as a common term outside. Here we have R1, here we have R2, which is equal to 2 pi capital R. Now this 2 pi and this 2 pi will get cancelled because that is in multiplication. R1 value is given as 19 in our question. R2 value is given as 9 in our question, which will be equal to R. 19 plus 9 will give us 28. 28 centimeter is the radius of the big circle which we needed. So that is the correct answer. Look at the next question. Find the area of the circle whose circumference is 22. So there is a circle. The circumference of the circle is 22 centimeter. Then find the area of the circle they are asking. So the radius is not given to us. By using the circumference value, we have to find the area. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is equal to 22 is given. Now 2 you can take it as it is. Pi value 22 by 7 and r, which is equal to 22. So except the r remaining terms we can take it to other side. So we have 22 here. This 2 by 1 we can consider. This 2 by 1 if we take it to other side, that will become 1 by 2. 22 by 7 if you bring it to other side, that will become 7 by 22. 22 and 22 will get cancelled and the remaining value is 7 by 2. If you want, you can make it into the decimal number or else you can keep as it is also. Now in our question they are asked us to find the area of the circle. So area is equal to area of the circle formula pi r square. Now let's apply. So area will be pi value 22 by 7. R value we got it as 7 by 2. Let's substitute here. R squared means R value should be written 2 times. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 you should write. This 7 and this 7 will get cancelled. This 2 and this 1 will be 11 times. So the remaining terms 11 into 7 will be 77 by 2. centimeter square we can write it. This is a area value. If you want, you can make it into decimal also. 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 8 2s are 16, balance 1, 0.05. So 38.5 centimeter square will be the area of the given circle. Look at this question. This is an important repeated question. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. So there is a clock. So we have a minute hand. The minute hand is long. So that is 14 centimeter long. The area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, if this is a 12 number, when it reach number 1, it will be 5 minutes. So what is the area? It's covered in 5 minutes is our question by the minute hand. Now we need to find the angle between these two. Basically, we know that the clock, it's a complete circle. It has totally 360 degree. In this 360 degree, it will complete 60 minutes actually. So for 60 minutes, minute hand will rotate one time totally. Minute hand, 60 minutes it will complete rotation, it will complete. So 60 minutes, that will be equal to 360 degree. Now we need to identify for 5 minutes. So let's come for 1 minute first. So for 1 minute, how much angle it will cover, let's find. For 1 minute, the 60 you can take it to other side, it will become a division. So 0 0 1s are 6 are. So in 1 minute, the minute hand will cover actually 6 degree. Now in our question, how many minutes they are asking? 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, how much angle it will be rotating? So 5 into 6 degree, it will be 30 degrees. So the angle covered in 5 minutes is 30 degree. Now we just want to find the area of the sector. Area of the sector formula. Sector is nothing but is a part of an area of the circle. So area of the circle, we know that pi r squared. Since it is a sector, it is partially covered with the angle only. So theta by 360 degree into pi r squared is our basic formula. Now let's substitute. Now theta value we can write it 30 degree by 360 multiplied by pi value 22 by 7. Radius is nothing but the length of the needle, that is 14. R squared, so 14 into 14 we can write it. 0 0 will get cancelled. 3 1s are 12s are, we can cancel it. Now again by 2 table, this is 6 are, this is 7s are. This 7 and this 7 also will get cancelled. Again by 2 table, this is 3s are, this is 7s are. That's it. 22 into 7 by 3 we are getting. So 7 2s are 14, balance 154 by 3. Actually centimeter square is our value. If you want, you can stop here. Otherwise, we can go for the decimal or mixed fraction. 154 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. Balance 3 4. Sorry, 3 5s are 15. The next number is 4 1. 3 and 1. So 51 is a quotient, 1 is the remainder, 3 is a divisor. So the quotient is 51, remainder is 1, divisor is 3. So 51 1 by 3 centimeter square we can complete. So this is the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us, subscribe our channel for more videos.